Welcome everyone, let's charge the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So there are going to be multiple ways to do this. First of all, let's open up the box for the Z Fold 4. It's kind of tough to open, but give it a little shake and it should be opened like so. You should see this little leaflet come out. If it doesn't, you see where the fold is, just flip this side. You should see this leaflet. Give it a little shake. It should come out like so. So you're going to see the Samsung logo here. We just want to find where this tab is. Just pull on it. There we go. And you have this other pull tab, pull out. And so we have the charging cable right here. What you're going to notice is there is no charging brick. So here is the deal. Within 7 days of ordering your Z Fold 4, you can get an S Pen for free, you can get the charging brick for free, and a case for free within 7 days. It requires that you bought the device new, okay? As long as you do that, I'm going to have a link in the description. You can get a free charging brick. You insert one end of the charging brick into the cable here, and then this side of the cable you put in the phone. If it's too late, if you bought your phone used, you're going to need to buy a charging brick, which is USB-C. I'll have a link in the description for Amazon to buy that. You insert one end of the cable into the brick, other end into the charger. Before you buy one, check your house. Do you have maybe another brick available? Okay, let's say, you know, MacBook charger, this is MacBook charger here, that will support the Samsung. Laptop chargers support the Samsung, not all, but most. Maybe your old phone has USB-C, just use your old phone charger. Otherwise, you can do the free redemption. Hopefully you did watch this video in time. Now, before you leave, there's one more thing to note, which is you can also do wireless charging, okay? You would need a brick like this. Again, you get a free one from the Samsung website. I'm not even paid to promote that, by the way. You literally, it's just something you are entitled to. And on top of that, you get a cable which converts USB-C to wireless charging. You'd place the charging pad here. Of course, you need to remove this label, and then your phone would wirelessly charge. Someone got mad at me for not mentioning that on the Flip 4, but I thought it was self-explanatory. But if you don't know, yes, you can wireless charge. That's how you do it. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.